what does history suggest about what is likely to happen to the stock market in 2025?
I'm bullish. Post-election years used to be a negative year for the market. Used to be one of the worst ones. Since World War II, it's been one of the better ones. Since '85, it's been the best year of the 4-year cycle. All the different averages or seasonal patterns that I'm looking at for 2025 have me forecasting about 8 to 12% for the stock market in 2025. Probably a little bit of a dip in Q1 as the new policies, the new initiatives get digested, and some disappointments with the new administration come through, and then usual weakness in the third quarter, August-September period.
Now, the benchmark is up about 20 or more percent in 2024. It was up 20 or more percent in 2023. What does history suggest about what is likely to happen in 2025 when you see such strong gains back to back?
Yeah, I mean, gains beget gains. We've got momentum here. The economic numbers, the technical numbers, yeah, things are a little bit overbought or had been. This weakness in early December is very seasonally typical. Probably some profit taking and setting up the year-end rally, but it doesn't suggest that the gains are over. 30 years of bull markets, which is what we're in right now, usually a little bit stronger, a little bit weaker, not quite as strong. So that's what gets me in that high single-digit, low double-digit area. I think we've got room to run here. I'm worried about 2026, the midterm year, but for 25, I don't think being up 2 years in a row has any issues. I mean, we've seen lots of 3 years in a row of big gains.
So to you, what gets us there in terms of this? I think you have low single-digit return for 2025.
High single digit.
High single digit. What gets us there?
Several things. I mean, there's a book I did and a forecast I made based on something my father did called the super boom. Back in 2010, I predicted that when the Dow was about 10,000, I predicted we'd hit 38,820 by 2025 based upon history, inflation, and politics and that sort of thing, as well as what I call a culturally enabling paradigm shifting technology. AI fits that bill. We're at like the early middle innings in my book. I think that the tech boom is part of it. We're seeing some broadening. I'd like to see the Russell make a new high, confirm some of that broadening, even though there's a lot of selective small caps are doing well. The administration, pro-business policy is about to come in. The U.S. is strong, the economy is strong. I think the Fed kind of stuck the landing. So there's a lot of positives. A little geopolitical unrest is a risk, a little high valuations, but I think we can catch up to that with earnings and such.